Good morning, students. In 6th class, first lesson in science, the food we need completed in previous classes. No? Today, I will revise the whole lesson once. All of you open your textbooks and open page number 10. Page number 10. First, I will explain about keywords which we learned in first lesson, the food we need. All of you open your page number 10 science class science textbook. First keyword ingredients. First keyword ingredients. What is meant by ingredients? Ingredients means the materials which we added to prepare any food item is known as ingredients. For example, if you will take salt, chili powder, rice and oil, mustard seeds, etc. are ingredients. Sources. Next keyword sources. Sources means where we can get that ingredients. Already I explained in previous class. Plants, animals and other sources. Some sources we get from plants, some sources we get from animals, some we get from other sources. Next keyword, that is preservatives. Preservatives means the substances which helpful to preserve food material for long time. They may be oil, they may be salt, they may be turmeric powder. So these are the substances which helpful to store food material for long time. Sometimes honey is also used as preservative to store food material for long time without spoiling. Spices. Spices already I explained. Spices means masala dinshu like cloves, lavangalu, cinnamon and cardamom, ilachi, black pepper. All these are called spices. What is the use of spices? Spices will add taste to the food material. If you want to prepare biryani, your mother must add some spices to add taste to the or flavor to the biryani. That is called spices. Next one is boiling. It is the one of the method to cook the food materials. For example, if you take potatoes must be boiled to prepare potato curries like this. Steaming. Steaming means avi pattadam. If you want to prepare idli, steaming helps to prepare idli. Next one is fermentation. What is meant by fermentation? It is a process which helpful to prepare food items like curd, cheese, butter, cakes, etc. by yeast. We will discuss about fermentation in the next classes, like 8th class. In 8th class, we will learn more about fermentation. Next one is recipe. What do you mean by recipe? If you different types of food, that is known as recipe. So these are the keywords which we learnt in lesson 1 6th class science subject. Now I will explain about what we have learnt. What we have learnt in first lesson, the food we need. First key point, we eat a variety of food in our day-to-day life. Correct or not? We will take different types of food items in our day-to-day lifetime. Sometimes we will eat vegetarian, sometimes we will eat non-vegetarians. For cooking food, we need different types of ingredients. If you want to prepare food items, different ingredients are required. To prepare different types of recipes, we require different types of ingredients. These ingredients may come from either plants or animals or other sources. We get food ingredients from plants, animals, other sources. For example, if you will take grains. Grains means dhanyam, rice, wheat, maize. They are major cereals. Minor cereals are ragulu and jonnalu, sajjalu. They are called minor cereals. So these cereals are pulses, pappu dhanyalu. We get from plants, and also we get milk and chicken, mutton. We get from animals. For example, if you will take ghee is obtained from animals. And also honey. Honey is obtained from honey bees, animals. Other sources, for example, if you will take salt, salt is obtained from seawater. We get food ingredients like milk, meat, eggs from animals. Meat, if the meat get from hens, that is called chicken. If the meat get from goat or sheep, that is called mutton. Pig meat is called pork, and beef means, that is buffalo meat is called beef. We use different parts of plants like stems. For example, if you will take stem, we will eat sugar cane. Sugar cane is stem. And also sometimes we will eat roots also. For example, if you will take carrot, carrot is a modified root. And also sometimes we will eat leaves. If you will take leafy vegetables like amaranth, amaranth means totakura, spinach, palakura, methi, menthikura. All these are leaves. Sometimes we eat fruits like apple, banana, citrus, and also sapota, etc. And also flowers also we eat sometimes as food. For example, if you take cauliflower, that is a flower. Next point, some of the food ingredients like water and salt are obtained from other sources. Salt is obtained from seawater. Okay, we know that. Salt is very useful to add taste to the food. Next, the taste of food is based on its ingredients, method of preparation. Different ingredients we use to prepare different types of food items. The ingredients which we added to the food makes food tasty. That's why the taste of food depends on the types of ingredients which we added to that food material. We use preservatives to preserve food for some time. For example, if you will take oil, salt, if your mother wants to prepare pickles, mother will add more oil and salt to the pickles. This oil and salt absorb moisture. Moisture means water content in the food material. So this oil and salt absorb moisture, and also this is helpful to keep pickles for long time without spoilage. Next, boiling and steaming and fermentation are some methods of preparing food. I will give two examples. The food method which we made by boiling. Already I explained idli and kudumulu are the food items which prepared by boiling. And also boiling means if you want to absorb eggs or potatoes, we use eggs or potatoes by boiling. Steaming means avi pattadam. If you will take idli and kudumulu, we will prepare with the help of steaming. And also fermentation. Fermentation is a process which helps to prepare food items like cakes, butter, cheese, etc. are obtained in the process of fermentation. We use preservatives to preserve food items for some time. Pickling. Pickling means making pickles. And also drying. Drying means keep food material under sunlight. For example, if you will take dry fish, drying. If you will observe, sometimes people will keep fish under sunlight. What is the reason? This sunlight helpful to absorb moisture present in the fish. If moisture is present, this moisture temperature is suitable to increase the growth of fungi. That's why we will keep food material on sunlight. This helpful to absorb or remove moisture from the fish, so the fish will be stable without any damage. Next, smoking. Smoking means sending smoke on food item. What is the use of this smoke? This smoke also absorb moisture present in the food item. This is helpful to keep for long time without any spoilage. Addition of some chemicals. Do you know some chemicals? Already I explained in previous class. Some chemicals also, sulfates, like these chemicals also helps to store food material for long time without spoilage. But you have to keep one thing in your mind. If you will use, sometimes the chemicals may cause damage to our health. That's why you have to take care about that. Now, improve your learning. All of you open your page number 10 and fill in the blanks. I will tell the answers. You have to write with a sharpened pencil. Salt is first blank. Salt is obtained from first blank sea water. Salt is obtained from sea water. There you have to write. The materials which are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. Second blank. Write down ingredients. Third blank. This is first blank, second blank, and third blank. We use dash to preserve food for some time. Preservatives. Preservatives. Eating foods after the expiry date may damage our health or digestive system. Already I explained in previous class. If you want to buy anything in the market, you have to observe the manufacture date on packets or covers. The manufacture date helpful to when that food is prepared or made. If you eat food material after expiry date, that food may damage your health. Now choose the correct answer. Multiple choice question. The method of preparing idli. What is that? Steaming. The method of preparing idli is steaming. The source of sugar is where sugar is obtained. Sugar is obtained from plants, sugar cane plant. So that is plant. Choose the correct answer. First one is C. Second one is A. Now match the following questions. Ragulu. Here they gave, if you will observe in group A they gave common names, and if you will observe group B, that is scientific name. Ragulu. Write down 4. Finger millet. Ragulu also called as finger millet. B. Sajjalu. Pearl millet. Pearl millet. 1. C. Jonnalu. Also called as grape millet. Write down there. 5. Korralu. Foxtail millet. Korralu also called as foxtail millet. 3. E. Samalu. Write down there. Proso millet. 2. Match the following. Complete the match the following. See here. 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. That is match the following. Now, answer the following questions. Write some examples of animal and plant food materials. Plants. We get leafy vegetables from plants. We get vegetables from plants. We get fruits from plants. Correct or not? Leafy vegetables like amaranth. Amaranth means totakura. Spinach, palakura. Methi, menthikura, etc. are leafy vegetables which comes from plants. Vegetables like potato, sweet potato, radish, carrot, drumstick, papaya, etc. Up to cucumber, etc. obtained from plants as vegetables. Fruits: apple, guava, pomegranate, sapota, mango, banana, strawberry. These are obtained from plants as fruits. Find out the ingredients of the given food items. Potato curry. If you want to prepare potato curry, what ingredients are required? First you require raw potatoes. Next oil. Next salt. Next chili powder. Next mustard seeds. What do you mean by mustard? Mustard means aval, and also coriander, kottimera. If you want to prepare coconut chutney, you require some ingredients. What are they? First you have to require coconut and also green chilies or red chilies, salt to taste. If you want to prepare gulab jamun, you require gulab jamun powder, first one. Second one is sugar, to prepare sugar syrup, and also ghee for frying. If you want to prepare pongali, you require rice, ghee and black pepper. That is very important to prepare pongali. Black pepper means mirial and also jeera. So these are the requirements, ingredients which required to prepare Pongali. How does food get spoiled? Right, its effects on human health. When you will not store food material properly, the food may get spoiled. If you eat spoiled food, you may suffer with the first one is diarrhea. Diarrhea means motions. You may suffer with vomitings. These are the two reasons. Sometimes may also cause death of person. That's why you have to store food material properly. If you will store food material properly, that stored food is available for long time without spoiling. If you will eat spoiled food, the digestive system may disturb and you may suffer with diarrhea or vomiting. Diarrhea means motions, vomitings. So that's why you have to keep food material properly. You have to store food material properly. Thank you children. In the next class, I will explain about the next topic. Thank you.